I must tell you that I am very happy, and that's why I called all of you here. Insofar as some people are against me, I know that the gods are not against me. And that the gods have provided me with two helpers. Yes. One is Dabere, our daughter. We all know her. The other person is a great man of this land, a man who has shown himself capable. His name is Akwamia, seated right here with us. Akwamia, the good that you have done for me, people will do it for you too. Amen. If you look very well, you will see that I have the staff of authority in my hand. And I want to use it to make a declaration that whatever Akwamia here says he wants, I will do it for him. So Akwamia, I am telling you now that whatever you want me to do for you, or that you want this community to do for you, mention it and I will do it.
I thank you for acknowledging the fact that I helped you. But the realistic truth is, there is nothing you can give to me. Rather, I will be the one to give to you.
Our son, I don't think you understand what he will say. He said you can make some demands. Yes. You can demand for anything and he will grant it. Yes. Go ahead and make some demands. You can even go as far as asking to be the next king of this community.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. We'll be ready to have you as our next king. Yes, why? He's too poor.
I want you to understand that whatever thing you say, you must carry it out.
Yes.
So mind whatever thing you are going to say. Remember, the moment you have the staff of authority in your hand, anything you say, you must do it.
Bam.
Yes, I agree with you. I keep to my words. But this was not what I meant. For those of you who are looking for the throne.
Who are those people?
You have such a conscience.
Your Majesty, there is nothing to worry about. I'm not interested in becoming the king.
Oh!
Also,
God will bless you.
Oh.
I'm only interested in making you a very rich king. And that I will do.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
As for what I want you to give to me, or do for me, I want to marry your daughter. The princess. I want to make her my wife.
What?
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.